Welcome to math class, and today we'll do symmetry. Linear and rotational symmetry. Start with introduction. Symmetry is an important geometrical concept commonly seen in natural and artificial things. Most of the historical buildings are symmetrical. So symmetry एक geometrical concept है. आपने बहुत सारी buildings and in nature you can see so many things which show symmetries. Some symmetrical objects that we use in our daily life. If in class 6 we have read about the symmetry, let us revise in brief. So symmetry हमने class 6 में पढ़ा था. You can see some buildings given here. All these buildings show symmetry. So what is symmetry? A figure which is identical in both sides of a line in it is said to be the symmetrical, and the line about which the figure is symmetrical, that is known as the line of symmetry. So this line of symmetry is an imaginary line which divide the given figure, जो भी हमें object या figure given है उसको two identical part में divide करती है. Symmetrical figures may have more than one line of symmetry. So एक से ज़्यादा भी line of symmetry हो सकती है, like an equilateral triangle. All three sides are equal. It have three line of symmetry. If we talk about a rectangle, it has two line of symmetry. A square has four line of symmetry. Rhombus has two line of symmetry. A regular pentagon have 5 line of symmetry, and regular hexagon have 6 line of symmetry. Learning tips. A regular polygon has as many line of symmetry as the number of sides. जितनी number of side है होती है उतनी ही line of symmetry है. A circle has infinite number of line of symmetry. Circle में जो line of symmetry है that is infinite. Symmetry in the English alphabets. So you can see here some English alphabets like A. It has vertical line of symmetry. B has horizontal line of symmetry. C also have horizontal line of symmetry. D also have horizontal. H have two line of symmetry, vertical and horizontal both. I also have two line of symmetry. M has vertical line of symmetry, and T has vertical symmetry. Next is practice session 11.1. Fill in the blanks. An equilateral triangle has three lines of symmetry. Equilateral triangle में three lines of symmetry होगी. Next, draw the line of symmetry in the following figure. So, in this figure, it can be symmetrical like this and like this. So, this is how you will show the line of symmetry. Next is, draw a line of symmetry in the following English alphabet if possible. So, if we talk about the letter S, that have no line of symmetry. So, इसी तरीके से आपको बाकी सारे अल्फाबेट पे लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री बतानी है. नेक्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फिगर आर सिमेट्रिकल अबाउट द गिवन लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री. सो this figure is not symmetrical around the given line of symmetry because it's not dividing the given figure into two identical parts. Clear? Next, rotational symmetry. As you see moving hands of the clock in one direction about the fixed point, center of the clock. Rotation is like the movement of the hand of the clock, that is called clockwise rotation. अगर जिस डायरेक्शन में क्लॉक मूव करती है, अगर उस डायरेक्शन में मूव कर रहा है, दैट मीन्स क्लॉकवाइज रोटेशन. अदरवाइज इट इज सेट एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. अगर उसके ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में है तो उसको बोलेंगे एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. सिमिलरली रोटेशन ऑफ द ब्लेड ऑफ फैन, व्हील ऑफ बाइसिकल एक्सेट्रा. When an object rotates, its shape, size do not change. The rotation turns an object about a fixed point. This fixed point is known as the center of rotation. ये जो fixed point है जिसके around move करता है, that is known as center of rotation. The angle of turning during the rotation, that is called angle of rotation. The figure is said to be the rotational symmetry if it is same figure during the complete rotation. The order of rotational symmetry is the number of times an object look the same as it did originally when it is rotated through 60 degree, 360 degree. So when a figure is rotated 360 degree, complete rotation में how many times it comes to its original position, that shows the order of rotational symmetry. Learning tips. If a shape appear to have no rotational symmetry, then the order of rotational symmetry will still be 1 because every shape looks the same at the end of 360 degree rotation as it did originally. So एटलीस्ट एंड में तो जो अपनी ओरिजिनल पोजीशन पे आएगा ही, सो एटलीस्ट वन ऑर्डर ऑफ रोटेशनल सिमेट्री सभी में रहेगी. लेट अस सी द रोटेशनल सिमेट्री इन एन इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल. So this is an equilateral triangle, all three sides are equal. Now we are moving into 120 degree, rotate कर रहे हैं इसको 120 degree पे, then 240 degree and then 360 degree. So 3 times it have 3 order of rotational symmetry. In the above figure we have rotated the equilateral triangle ABC clockwise around 120 degree, 240 degree and 360 degree respectively, and got the original position. So 3 times the figure comes into original position. Hence the rotational order of the equilateral triangle is 3 and rotational angle is 120 degree. Clear? Let us see rotational symmetry in the square. So this is the original position A, B, C, D, these points. Now we'll rotate 90 degree. So A will come here, B here, C here and D here. Clear? Again 90 degree पे किया था, now 180 degree पे. So you can see the change in point. Now A point come here, B here, C here and D here. This is 270 degree and this is 360 degree. In the above figure, we have rotated the square ABCD clockwise 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 and 360 degree respectively to get the original position in the figure 5. Hence, the rotation order of the square is 4 and the rotational angle is 90 degree. Some geometrical shape have both reflection and rotational symmetry. So, this is an equilateral triangle. It has 3 lines of reflection symmetry and rotational symmetry of order 3. Square has 4 lines of symmetry and rotational symmetry of order 4. Rectangle की बात करें, a rectangle have 2 lines of symmetry and rotational symmetry of order 2. Rhombus also have 2 lines of symmetry and rotational symmetry of order 2. 180 degree. Clear? Circle have infinite line of symmetry and rotational symmetry of any degree or infinite rotational symmetry. Letter H, it has 2 lines of symmetry and rotational symmetry of order 2. Letter A, it have 1 line of symmetry and rotational symmetry of order 1. Next, practice session 11.2. Fill in the blanks. The order of rotational symmetry in an equilateral triangle is 3. Write the order of rotational symmetry in the following figure. So, in the given figure, it has order 1 rotational symmetry, because only at the end it will come to its original position. Clear? Next is, write the order of rotational symmetry in the following figure. So, in B, it has order 1 rotational symmetry, because at the end of the complete rotation it will come to its original position. Clear? So, practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is, let's recall. A figure which is identical on both the side of line, it is said to be symmetrical. A regular polygon has as many line of symmetry as its number of sides. जितने number of side होगी उतनी ही line of symmetry होगी. An equilateral triangle has 3 lines of symmetry. A square has 4 lines of symmetry. Rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry. Circle has infinite number of lines of symmetry. A figure is said to be have rotational symmetry if it's give the same figure during the complete rotation. Next is multiple choice questions. Take the correct option. An scalene triangle has line of symmetry. Scalene, all 3 sides are different, so it has no line of symmetry. So, number 4, no line of symmetry, that is the correct option here. So, here we end the chapter. I hope you understand the chapter well. Now, to practice it.